an off-shoulder top without sewing. You already know it's going to be without sewing because I am on a mission to make no-sew outfits for all of you. That is my mission in life. I hope not. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button so you're notified whenever I post a new video. My name is Silem. Today I'm going to show you how to make an off-shoulder top without sewing. If you haven't seen my previous no-sew project, please click the link right here. The fabric I'm using for this DIY is a thin scuba fabric. So I love to use the thick scuba fabric, but today I'm using the thin version. Now both versions of the scuba fabric are solid and self-finished. I already made a wrap top with this same fabric I'm going to be using today. So if you want to see how I made that wrap top, definitely click the link up here. I'm going to put the link to how to make that wrap top video. So how to make that wrap top video up here. I'm using it in my favorite color. I don't even know what the name of this fabric is. Some days it's burgundy, burgundy. Other days it's maroon. Some days it's oxblood. I can't keep up, man. I just can't keep up. I don't know what they call it today. But this is the fabric and this is the color. All you need for this no-sew off-shoulder top is your fabric chop, measuring tape, and your scissors. If you have these 4 items, then you're going to make this top like this in a snap. This fabric, as you can tell, is a solid fabric, so there's no clear distinction between the right side and the wrong side. So both sides are identical, and it's also a self-finished fabric, and it doesn't fray. Even when you cut it with the scissors, it doesn't fray. It doesn't bring all those funny hairs everywhere. And it's also stretchy as well, see? But it's stretchy on one side, the other side is not as stretchy. No, it's not really stretchy, but this side is really stretchy. If you want to see how I make this off-shoulder top, please keep on watching. So this is the fabric I'm using for this DIY. It's just over half a yard. So I'm just folding the fabric, and now I'm spinning it just because it's easier for me, and then I'm folding it again. So the depth of the neck of this my off-shoulder top, I want it to be 3 inches, and that's what I marked. And initially I wanted the what's it called now, I marked the width of the neck to be 3 inches as well, but I changed my mind when I found that the neck wasn't wide enough. So I went back again to the cutting board and I increased the width of the neck to be 5.5 inches. So in your case, while you're making this, your the depth of your neck should be 3 inches and the width of your neck should be 5.5 inches. That way you don't have to go over and over it. You just get it once and for all. And I'm just tracing that curved line and cutting it out, and this is what it looks like. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.